Welcome to MetaLocator. In this video example, we're going to take you through the necessary steps to get up and running with MetaLocator. The first thing you need to do is create an account. So click Free 30-Day Trial. The next thing we'll do is create an account. Enter in your name and email address and an appropriate password. The system will generate a new MetaLocator account specifically for your use. The first step in creating a MetaLocator account is adding data. In this example, we're going to be creating a store locator, so we're going to be adding location data. I'm going to click the green Continue button to begin. MetaLocator will ask us what type of data we'll be importing. In this example, we're going to be importing locations. I can import data in bulk, or I can manually add locations one by one, or import data from Salesforce. In this example, we're going to be importing data in a spreadsheet. If you're not sure what to import, you can download a sample spreadsheet right here. I'll click on Spreadsheet, and then I'll choose the file from my computer. MetaLocator will give me the opportunity to match any columns in my uploaded spreadsheet with MetaLocator system columns. Any columns that are not recognized will be presented as red columns and will be able to be created as custom fields. Click Next when you're satisfied with your choices. Leave this option at the Add option and click Next. Your data will import. Click Continue. The next step in the process is to create an interface. So click Continue to create an interface. Interfaces are what actually end up being installed on your website and what the customer ultimately uses for, in this case, to find a location nearest them. In this example, I'm going to pick from one of the pre-styled examples. I'm going to choose the sleek design template and click Select. You can create as many interfaces as you want, so don't worry if you don't like the layout of your first choice. That successfully installed the interface into my account. I can review the settings below, or I can preview and get an idea of what my locator will look like. This is a fully functional store locator, complete with map, postal code search, and a category level search. If I'm satisfied with the way that this looks, I can click Save and Close to continue. If you'd like to create additional interfaces, simply click New in the upper right and choose From Template. Now I'd like to install this interface on my website. We're going to install it on a WordPress website in this example on this page, which right now has no real content. First thing I'll do is click the green Install button next to the interface that I want to install on my website. It will ask me to choose a host name. This should be representative of your brand. In this example, we're going to enter in a test. I'll first make sure that this host name is available and click OK. This step is necessary for Google to find your data. If you're not interested in that feature, you can skip this option. I'm going to click Save and Continue. Then MetaLocator will present me with the code necessary to install this interface. I'm going to select that and copy it to my clipboard and click Continue. Now that I have the code, I'm going to go to my WordPress website and edit the page. All I'm going to do is switch over to the text view of this page and paste in the code that MetaLocator provided. I'll click Update. Then we'll go back to the WordPress website and reload the page. And now we can see a well-integrated store locator ready for deployment on my website. If you use a system other than WordPress, don't worry. MetaLocator integrates with every type of website, If you go to MetaLocator's website under Platform Integrations, you can see tutorials of all different types of websites. That concludes the tutorial on getting started with MetaLocator. If you have any questions, feel free to click the blue support button in the lower right, and we'll be happy to answer any questions that you have. Thanks again for trying MetaLocator.